Today's video is gonna be another short and sweet one. I've got a double Prada unboxing. I am so excited about these two pieces. One, you may kind of already know what it is, but you're gonna wanna watch this video because I'm gonna save like the ultimate find for last. I have been looking like on the hunt for the perfect mini wallet. I found it, you guys. It's adorable. I love it. It's super practical. It's like everything that I was looking for and some. I'm so glad that I finally found this piece. But if you watched my recent like vacation haul video, luxury shopping, you might know what the first piece is, but either way, you're gonna wanna see it a little more in detail. So let's go ahead and get started because I really love these pieces. So we're gonna go ahead and start with this huge box. Like this is seriously massive, you guys. It is so big. I wasn't even sure that I wanted her to give me the whole box situation, and I was like, well, I am gonna do unboxing. She's like, oh, then you have to have the box. So she gave me the entire situation. It's massive, but you will see why, because it's actually a really, really big bag inside. Let's go ahead and open her up. So here is the box, and I don't even think I have one of these like Prada boxes. It is so pretty, you guys. This is so beautiful. I am definitely going to be keeping this. I think this is such a stunning box. Look at the tissue. Can you see that on camera? Look, it has Prada right there. And then here is the dust bag. It's a little bit upside down. Let me go and pull it out and I'll share with you what it is. So I really didn't have this bag on my wish list, but it caught my eye that I had to have it. And it literally was so perfect for the upcoming seasons. It is the Prada like straw raffia tote in the, I think this is the medium size. It comes in a smaller one and I think it comes in a bigger one. I could be wrong about the bigger size, but I know for sure it comes in a smaller size. It is seriously so good. What I love about this particular bag is this isn't something that's necessarily trending or not trending. It's just like the perfect summer and like spring tote. Perfect for vacation, perfect for poolside, perfect for the beach. So I could literally have this for years and years and years, and I can pull it out every single spring and summer, and it's just gonna be the cutest thing. It's plain on the back. One side is plain. One side has the Prada triangle in black with silver hardware, and then this side has the like woven black Prada detail. On the inside, it's absolutely nothing. It's honestly very floppy. I may even purchase a like an insert to go just because it's really floppy. Like, see, it's really floppy. Like once I put my stuff in, it'll be fine, but I might actually get an insert just so that it can kind of sit whenever I set it down. But there's no pockets on the inside. There's one little tab right here that says Prada made in Italy, and then this is just like the paperwork that comes with it. But otherwise, you can see the stitching on this side because it goes through, but otherwise it's just one giant tote. The handles are super comfortable. Like they're not itchy at all. I was a little worried about that. They're a really nice size. You can't really go on the shoulder. It's more of like an arm or a hand type of tote. But I just love it. I think it is so cute. And like I said, I feel like it's like not a trending piece. It's just something that I could reach for every spring and summer. And it's just gonna be the cutest thing ever. Now, this goodie actually caught me by surprise. I have been looking for the ultimate mini wallet. So I have a full-size Louis Vuitton zippy wallet, which I love. And I am not replacing that because I truly love that wallet. And if you're looking for a full-size like everyday wallet, that's the one that I recommend. It's just so easy. It holds everything. It's just the best everyday full-size wallet. And then I carry a small card holder. Well, I have started to grow out of the card holders and I needed something just like a step up from a card holder, but not like another smaller wallet. I needed like this like mini wallet that I had in my mind. I knew it had to exist somewhere, but I hadn't found it yet until I found this beauty. And when I say this little mini wallet is perfection, like it is literally perfection. So if you are looking for the ultimate wallet for your smaller bags or just something really, really easy and practical. Maybe you have a full-size wallet that I do and you want a smaller option for just ease and smaller bags, or you just like carrying around a smaller wallet that's super, super practical. This one, I'm not even kidding. It's literally perfection. You got the Prada box. Obviously it's Prada. It's a Prada day, you guys. Nothing wrong with that. You got the Prada tissue. And then we have, this one didn't come with a dust bag, which I was a little surprised about, but it's just like wrapped in this like felt. But let me take the felt off just so you can get the full effect of the wallet, because it's just perfection, you guys. So let me show you all the pieces, because it's kind of like a 3-in-1 type of situation. So when you look at it in the first area, you've got one main pocket here. And I will say this pocket is really nice and comfortable, so you can carry more than one thing. So my plan is for my ID and my most used like bank card to go right here, because those are the two pieces that I reach for the most. Then on the back, you've got this little flap here with 3 really, really comfortable card slots. And so for me, I was gonna do punch cards to my go-to places, like the place that I go to get my nails done, the place that I go to get like smoothies, right? Like things that I use all the time, and I don't wanna keep it in my full-size wallet because I wanna make sure that I have it with me all the time. They're gonna go here, and then like my backup credit card, if I have one, right? So that's what's gonna be, these are for like that. Or if I have like a gift card that I know I'm about to use. And then you've got the top, which has this zipper section. What I love about this is you can put, if you happen to pay cash for something or you want to take cash, you can throw some bills in here, and if you happen to get change back, you could put a little bit of change in here as well. But I could also put receipts in here. I could put, like I said, gift cards or anything like that in here. This is just kind of like a good little catch-all. Or even if you wanted to take your key off, like your house key off of your keychain, you could throw that in here as well. This thing is just seriously so good, but it's still like insanely thin. Like look at how thin this is. It is so, so thin, but it is seriously like exactly what I was looking for. I needed just a little bit more than the card holder, and I kind of wanted something that had like a little zipper, like almost like a little coin section, not necessarily for coin, but that I could use for like miscellaneous things. Like I could even throw a hair tie in here if I wanted to, like, right? You could use this for so many different things, but I still wanted something that was insanely compact that could go into all my smaller bags. And this is gonna be the Saffiano leather. Saffiano, if you don't know, it is very durable, so it holds up really well. Yes, this is a lighter color, but I really think that because it's the Saffiano, it's gonna hold up really well. I will keep you guys updated like I usually do, and I'm sure it probably comes in black as well. I'm not 100% sure that it comes in black, but it most likely comes in black. Most things from Prada come in black, but I just think this is the perfect like upgrade from my card holder and the perfect like mini wallet. So if you're looking for the ultimate mini wallet, I'll link this one down below for you guys. So that is it. Just a couple of new things from Prada that I had to have. I'll make sure to link as many items below as I can. I'm also gonna link this linen dress, which by the way, if you haven't watched my vacation haul / luxury shopping video, you have to watch that as well, because I share this as well as several other like summer and vacation must-haves. I found the cutest, the perfect like ultimate vacation wardrobe. We are going on vacation next month, and then I also have another trip in June, so I just had to pick up a few things. I'm probably gonna take this bag with me on vacation. I love it that much. But thank you guys so much for hanging out. My name is Amanda. If you're new to my channel, stick around for more fashion, luxury, and lifestyle videos. I do about 2 videos here a week, and that is it. I will see you guys in the next one. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.